Coldwell Banker Carroll Realty. Welcome to my newest listing at 115 North East Avenue, located in Panama City, Florida. This home is offered for $250,000 and has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Hey y'all! Alright, so I'm inside the house. So this is the living space. Nice large living area, plenty of outlets. And check out the windows. Alright, I'm gonna turn this around, show y'all the entire house. Front door, you can go to the right. You have your dining and open kitchen space. You can use this as a pantry or extra closet. Nice large living area. Again, plenty of outlets, recessed lighting, large fan, very nice upgraded fixtures. Down the hall you have your bathroom to the right, hot water heater and air handler, and bedrooms at the end. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Stainless appliances, soft close drawers. You have a double fridge in this home. This is a nice large laundry area. Again, recessed lighting. Large cabinets, plenty of storage. A nice deep stainless sink. And the faucet. I think I told y'all you have wonderful fixtures in this home. You have the pull downs. I believe everything is Delta for plumbing. Again, soft closed drawers for the cabinets. Alright, let's go look at the air handler, hot water heater, bathrooms, and bedroom. Air handler closet. Tankless hot water heater. There's some extra storage in the bathrooms. And this is a nice area, nice deep spaces. Spare bedroom 1. Behind the door, you have your TV mount area. Electrical outlets. Storage down the hall. This is your spare bedroom 2. Area there for your TV if you'd like. This is the master. Not the light one. You can see the large backyard from here. Watch. If you have dogs, children, you can see them play from this area. Again, you have that alleyway behind the fence. Show you the master bath. Stand-up shower. Master closet. Again, this home is on the market for sale, $250,000, 115 North East Avenue, Panama City, Florida.